In this video, we will show how to use the Pythagorean theorem on a right-angled triangle. The Pythagorean theorem helps us to calculate a missing side in right-angled triangles. Let's have a look at a right-angled triangle ABC with a right angle at C. The Pythagorean theorem says that the sum of the squared rectangular sides equals the square of the hypotenuse. This means a squared plus b squared is c squared. With this theorem, we can calculate the missing side if two sides are known. Let's look at an example. In a triangle with a rectangular side of 5 and a hypotenuse of 13, we want to calculate the missing side. As we have seen in the Pythagorean theorem, in a right-angled triangle ABC with right angle C, we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, we rotate our original triangle to get it in the same form as in the theorem. We recognize that in our case, b equals 5 and c equals 13. Substituting b and c in the Pythagorean theorem gives a squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. 5 squared is 25. 13 squared is 169. Rearranging, a squared equals 169 minus 25, which simplifies to a squared equals 144. Taking the square root on both sides yields a equals 12. This means the missing side is equal to 12. This concludes the example. Thanks for watching.